Let's bite a portable speaker, have a plate full of phone, and snack on an iPad. Only the best edible giant and miniature gadgets are on our menu today. It's Cindy's birthday. She's been receiving congratulations nonstop since the morning. And here comes her first gift. A package is delivered for her. A celebration will start now. More confetti. But it turns out that there's a teeny iPad inside the big box. Apply silver edible pearl dust to a chocolate candy of a suitable rectangular shape. Scrape the signature apple silhouette in the center using a toothpick. Print an iPad screen on sugar paper. Use food coloring ink and attach the picture onto the candy with edible glue. Cindy finds a tiny Apple device under a whole lot of tinsel. This iPad mini is way too mini, but my friend hurries to cheer me up. This is not just a mini device, this is a chocolate iPad ready for you to eat. Eat it quickly to celebrate your birthday. This whole tablet is edible, even the sugar screen. Yummy! The blue-eyed girl was in such a hurry to congratulate her friend that she put on the wrong color of fitness tracker. Black doesn't match my light look. Cindy wants to help. She just happens to have a white bracelet. Maybe it will do. But the blue-eyed girl doesn't like this white bracelet. Then Cindy will try something different. What about a yellow bracelet? 1, 2, 3? Oops! It seems that something went wrong. Cut a piece off a jelly candy. Cut it and take out the white filling. Straighten the strip. Mark the edges and shape a fastener like the one on a fitness tracker. Make holes on the strap with a toothpick. Draw a screen and button with a black food marker. The tracker changed both its color and its size. This tiny bracelet doesn't even fit my pinky. I'm afraid I will never be fit enough to put it on. Then, Cindy tries out a spell that can make anything big. Grow up my fitness tracker. Oops! It seems that I was trying too hard. Melt chewy candies in a microwave. Knead them and make a roll. Make the middle a bit thicker. Roll out the ends to make a flat strap. Make it wider at the end. Cut a hole inside. This is the fastener. Make round holes with a knife. Roll out fondant to make a thin layer. And cover the entire maxi tracker with it. Paint a screen and a button with food coloring. This is great! You can put this fitness tracker not only onto your wrist, but also onto your waist. You can share and enjoy it with your friend. And we'll count the calories later. Cindy has already seen all the congratulations on her social media, and her festive mood is still nowhere to be found. But her friend will make it better. The blue-eyed girl won't let anybody be left without a birthday surprise. Close your eyes. Your birthday iPhone is ready. Sprinkle a board with powdered sugar. Roll out a big piece of fondant. Mix condensed milk with cocoa powder and spread it. And put wafer cakes on top. Cover them with the mixture of condensed milk and cocoa, and put a wafer on again. Make a few more layers. Cover everything with fondant. Dampen it with water. Print an iPhone on sugar paper and attach it. Use food coloring ink to print it. Cut off the extra wafer. Dampen the bottom layers of fondant with water and cover the sides of the wafer cake. Cut off the extra fondant. The birthday girl opens her eyes. Wow! Wow, it's a real iPhone cake! It's the newest version with an upgraded filling, and we will definitely need candles for the cake. The blue-eyed girl took care of everything. It's time for Cindy to make a wish and blow out the candles. Yay! Your wish will certainly come true. And now we should deal with the wafer cake. What app should I cut off for you? They are successfully downloaded onto a plate. Bon appetit! Cindy is arranging a birthday picnic. Drinks, sweets, party hats. We've got everything we need, except for music. Where's my portable speaker? I can't find it, but the blue-eyed girl has a mini speaker. It's so cute! Knead fondant with different food coloring. Sprinkle a board with powdered sugar. Shape purple fondant into a small cylinder. This is a mini speaker. Roll out orange fondant into a thin layer and cut out a control panel out of it. Use a toothpick. Put Tulle onto the cylinder and make an imprint. Attach the control panel with water. Draw signs on the buttons with a black food marker. This speaker is so tiny! On the other hand, neighbors will never complain about loud music. In addition to this, it can fill you up. The blue-eyed girl has already bitten off a half of a verse and a chorus. But I don't like the sweet speaker at all. I want to listen to real music and not fondant. Finally! Here it is! My real speaker! Now we can start dancing! This is a whole dance show right here! The girls are on fire! Dancing makes us hungry. We need to have some candies. Cindy finds a mini MP3 player in the candy paradise in the bowl. That's so unexpected. Make a Fruitella candy flat with your hand so that you get a rectangle. Apply confectionery glue to it and attach a strip of wafer paper. Color the paper with a food marker and cover it with a layer of edible pearl dust. Attach a wafer paper circle to the body. Attach a smaller circle on top from the same paper covered with edible pearl dust. Draw signs on buttons with a black food marker. That's so adorable! But my friend tells me that it's actually a candy too. This MP3 player has sweetness for your lips instead of music. Eat up! And of course, we need to arrange a selfie photo shoot in honor of your birthday. Hashtag birthday girl at a picnic will do. We need to post photos after the picnic. Cindy just happens to have a flash drive. Excellent! It's a great reason to prank a friend, because I've got a flash drive too, but it's a mini version. Cut a Mentos gum stick. Make half of the bubble gum smaller. Round one end. Make a round hole with a straw and cover the gum with silver food coloring. Apply silver edible pearl dust on top. Make an inscription with a black food marker. I take out my mini flash drive. My friend takes forever looking through photos. These are too dark. These are blurry. And I look great in these. All the photos are on this flash drive. Here, check it out. Cindy doesn't understand what happened to her flash drive. You can make the size of the photo file smaller. But how did the blue-eyed girl manage to make the flash drive smaller? It's easy. This flash drive is just candy, and your real flash drive is safe and sound. And all the photos are still there. The blue-eyed girl wants to play a game on her phone after a tiring day, but the treacherous gadget dies. Cindy has a power bank, but it's not what her friend needs. The connector is not compatible, and the blue-eyed girl is starting to get tired of all technology. Then Cindy takes drastic measures. She has found a giant power bank somewhere. It can charge a lot of devices. Hot glue 3 boxes of candies together. Cover the rectangle with a foam rubber sheet. First fold and hot glue the edge. And then attach it to the boxes. Cut off and hot glue the corner. Cover the entire thing this way. Write the name of the power bank with a black marker. Make numbers with an embossing tool. Carefully cut slits on the side with a knife so that you can open the boxes of candies. Hot glue black foam rubber sheet buttons. The blue-eyed girl understands that this gadget hides some kind of gift inside. You're right! Cindy takes out delicious candies from it. They will help to charge us with energy for sure. And I don't want to play phone games anymore. A candy break is exactly what I need. Did you like our edible gadgets? Then write in the comments what gadget you would like to have for lunch. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new edible ideas on Troom.